What if ChatGPT could actually make you money? I'm not talking about writing articles or essays. I'm talking about real income streams powered by ChatGPT's plugins. Let's explore 5 ways people are earning with AI right now. ChatGPT plugins let you connect AI directly to tools like Canva, Zapier, and web data, which means you can automate creative work, business processes, and even marketing. No coding needed. First up is the Canva plugin, a tool that essentially embeds a graphic designer directly into your ChatGPT interface. This plugin acts as a bridge, connecting the powerful language capabilities of ChatGPT with Canva's massive library of templates, fonts, and design elements. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to create visual content quickly without being a design expert. Getting started is incredibly simple. Inside your ChatGPT Plus account, navigate to the plugin store, search for Canva, and hit install. Once enabled, you're ready to turn your text prompts into professional-looking designs in seconds. Let's explore 3 high-demand deliverables you can create. First, YouTube thumbnails. Instead of a vague request, let's get specific. Imagine a client needs a thumbnail for a video titled "The 5 Best AI Tools for 2024." You could prompt, "Create a modern YouTube thumbnail for a video about the top 5 AI tools." Use a bold, futuristic font, incorporate a subtle robot icon, and use a high-contrast blue and orange color palette. ChatGPT will then generate a selection of templates. You click on your favorite, and it opens directly in Canva, ready for you to tweak the text, swap images, or adjust colors. This is where the real magic happens. The AI does the heavy lifting of initial creation, and you provide the final human touch, ensuring the design perfectly matches the client's brand and the video's tone. Next, let's tackle Instagram carousels. These are incredibly popular for educational content. A prompt like, "Generate a 5-slide Instagram carousel for a financial advisor." The topic is 3 simple steps to start investing. Use a clean, professional design with green and gold accents. Will produce a full, multi-page design. Each slide will be pre-populated with placeholder text and graphics, following a consistent theme. You just need to drop in the client's specific content, and you have a complete, engaging carousel ready to post. Finally, logos. While complex branding requires a dedicated designer, this plugin is perfect for creating simple, effective logos for small businesses, startups, or personal projects. A prompt such as, "Design a minimalist logo for a new bakery called Sweet Bites. I want a simple icon of a whisk or a cupcake and a friendly, rounded font," will give you several starting points. You can then refine these in Canva, presenting the client with multiple variations. Now, let's talk monetization with a micro case study. Consider a freelancer on a platform like Fiverr. Using this workflow, they offer tiered thumbnail packages. A basic package might be one AI-generated thumbnail with minor text edits for $10. A standard package at $25 could include 3 design concepts and 1 round of revisions. A premium package at $50 might involve using the client's specific brand kit, their fonts, colors, and logos, which you can set up in Canva for consistency. By streamlining the creation process, this freelancer can easily deliver 10 or more high-quality thumbnails a day, turning a simple AI tool into a significant income stream. The key is speed and volume. Each design takes minutes, not hours, allowing you to build a profitable, scalable service with minimal friction. Now, let's talk about the plugin that transforms ChatGPT from a brilliant conversationalist into a powerful, automated workhorse. This is the Zapier plugin, and if you're serious about building automated income streams, this is your hidden goldmine. For those unfamiliar, Zapier is like the universal translator for the internet. It's a service that connects thousands of different web applications, allowing them to talk to each other and perform actions automatically. Think of it as the digital glue holding your entire workflow together. When you connect Zapier to ChatGPT, you're essentially giving the AI the ability to execute tasks in the real world, across more than 5,000 different apps. We're talking about everything from Gmail and Google Sheets to Notion, Slack, Trello, and your favorite CRM. The setup is a straightforward, one-time process. First, you enable the plugin inside ChatGPT. It will then give you a special link to authorize the connection with your Zapier account. Here's the key concept to understand. You don't build the automations inside ChatGPT. Instead, you go to Zapier and create specific actions that you want ChatGPT to be able to trigger. You are essentially building a library of custom commands that ChatGPT can execute on your behalf. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you use a Google form to collect information from new clients. You can create a Zapier action called Generate Client Brief. This action is pre-configured to take the latest submission from your Google form, pull the client's name, project details and budget, and then use that information to populate a pre-designed template in Google Docs. Once that action is set up in Zapier, you can simply go to ChatGPT and type, "Run the Generate Client Brief action." Zapier then executes the entire workflow in the background. The form data is pulled, the document is created and formatted, and it's saved in the correct folder, all from a single, simple command. This brings us to the monetization case study I mentioned earlier. One user built a fully automated client reporting system. Here's how it works. Their client's performance data is automatically fed into a Google Sheet. They created a Zapier action that triggers ChatGPT to analyze the data for a specific client, write a summary of key insights and progress, format it into a professional report, and then email that report directly to the client from their Gmail account. They charge each client $200 per month for this weekly reporting service. The entire process, from data analysis to writing and delivery, is 100% automated. All they have to do is prompt ChatGPT once a week or even set up a schedule to run the Zap automatically. This is the power of combining AI-driven analysis with action-oriented automation. A few best practices to keep in mind. Always build in logging steps in your Zaps, perhaps by adding a new row to a spreadsheet every time an action runs. This helps with error handling. And be mindful of privacy. Ensure you have client consent and are handling their data responsibly within your automated systems. Prompt. Perfect helps refine prompts for maximum accuracy. If you offer content writing, ad creation, or SEO services, better prompts mean faster, higher quality results, and higher paying clients. Most people don't realize ChatGPT can't browse the web by default. MixerBox fixes that. It lets you access real-time web results inside ChatGPT. You can use it to do market research, write data-based blog posts, or analyze trending keywords for clients. VoxScript allows ChatGPT to pull data from YouTube transcripts, websites, and PDFs. Want to summarize competitors' videos or repurpose viral scripts? VoxScript automates that entire process, a huge time saver for content creators. Now, let's connect all the dots. We've explored 5 powerful plugins, but their true potential is unlocked when you combine them into a single, seamless system. This is where you transition from simply using tools to building a full-scale automated AI content agency. Imagine this: a client needs a complete content package for their new product launch. Instead of spending days on manual research, writing, and design, you deploy a workflow that does the heavy lifting for you. It all starts with MixerBox. Your client gives you a topic, say, sustainable fashion trends. You use MixerBox to conduct real-time market research, pull the latest articles, identify key influencers, and analyze competitor content. In minutes, you have a rich foundation of data that would have taken hours to gather manually. But raw data isn't enough. You need a clear plan. That's where Prompt Perfect comes in. You feed the research from MixerBox into a new prompt, instructing it to create a comprehensive content brief. This isn't just a simple summary, it's a strategic document. Your perfected prompt will generate a brief that outlines the target audience, a catchy ADA framework headline, SEO keywords, a call to action, and the desired tone of voice. This brief becomes your single source of truth for the entire project. With your master brief ready, you turn to Canva. You prompt it to generate all the necessary visual assets. Create 3 YouTube thumbnail variations for a video titled 5 Sustainable Fashion Hacks. Design an Instagram carousel post based on these 5 key points from the brief. Generate a blog post header image in a 16:9 aspect ratio. The Canva plugin uses the brief to ensure every single asset is stylistically consistent and on message. Now for the final magical step, delivery and automation with Zapier. You can set up a Zap that watches a specific Google Drive or Dropbox folder. The moment you save the final Canva assets into that folder, Zapier automatically triggers a sequence. It can draft an email to your client with the files attached, update a row in your project management spreadsheet from in progress to pending review, and even add a task to your calendar to follow up in 2 days. This is true hands-off fulfillment. By structuring this pipeline, you can offer clients concrete, high-value packages. For example, a monthly content starter pack could include 4 researched blog briefs, 12 corresponding social media graphics, and automated delivery for a flat fee. This is how freelancers are scaling their services, offering retainers that generate consistent income. Many are now comfortably making between $500 and $1,000 a month per client, just by productizing these automated workflows. You're no longer trading time for money, you're selling a reliable, efficient content system powered by AI. The AI gold rush isn't about coding, it's about knowing which tools to use. Try these ChatGPT plugins today, and you might turn your AI curiosity into your next income stream. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly automation and AI money-making tutorials.